Hello everyone and welcome to another exciting episode of Clickbait, a show on cybersecurity brought to you by ITverse. I am Avishka Thadani presenting the show to keep you informed about the latest threats and trends in cybersecurity, helping you stay secure online. So buckle up, get curious and let's clickbait together the safe way. Now Accenture has introduced new services to counter rising cybersecurity threats, including AI-driven attacks and deepfake scams. The IT firm reported a 223% increase in deepfake-related tool trading on the dark web during early 2024. To combat such threat, Accenture's solutions included generative AI-powered defenses and quantum-safe data security. CEO Julie Sweet emphasized the need for real-time threat detection across digital system and supply chain. The company is also establishing advanced cybersecurity hubs such as Gen AI Security Studio in Brussels and a Quantum Security Center in Bangalore. With cybercriminals leveraging advanced AI technologies, Accenture's initiative aims to bolster organizational resilience, ensuring robust defenses in an era of accelerating cyber attacks. Google's OSS Fuzz team, using AI-driven technology, has discovered 26 vulnerabilities, including a critical flaw in OpenSSL that went undetected for 2 decades. The CVE 2024-9143 vulnerability, an out-of-bounds memory issue, could enable remote code execution in crash applications. Now, this marks a milestone in automated vulnerability detection. And AI-generated fuzzing targets uncover weakness that human-written methods missed. The findings include a fix for OpenSSL released on October 16, demonstrating the evolving capabilities of AI in cybersecurity. By leveraging AI into software testing, Google's innovation paved the way for stronger security measures across internet infrastructure, enhancing defenses against malicious threats. Microsoft has unveiled the Zero-Day Quest, a groundbreaking bug bounty program offering $4 million in rewards for discovering vulnerability in AI and cloud service. The challenge incentivizes researchers with multiplied rewards for specific scenarios to access Microsoft AI engineers. Participating may also qualify for an on-site hacking event at Microsoft Redmond quarters in 2025. Tom Gallagher, Vice President of Engineering, emphasized the program's goal is to foster collaboration between Microsoft product team and external researchers. Now, with strict guidelines to ensure ethical participation, Microsoft aims to enhance the security of its online services while strengthening partnership. Now, Ford Motor Company is investigating claims of a data breach after hackers leaked an internal database containing sensitive consumer data. The alleged breach linked to an hacker named Energy Weapon user includes names, addresses, and purchase information of customers across multiple countries, including the US, China, and Zimbabwe. RansomDB researcher reported the data includes approximately 44,000 customer records. While Ford acknowledged the investigation, spokesperson Richard Binhammer stated that the inquiry is ongoing, without confirming the breach. If verified, the exposed data could lead to identity theft, phishing scams, and reputational damage for Ford. Customers are advised to monitor their accounts for unusual activity as Ford works to secure its system. Apple has released urgent updates for iOS, iPadOS, macOS, visionOS, and Safari to address 2 actively exploited zero-day vulnerabilities. The first flaw, which allows arbitrary code execution via malicious web content, while the second enables cross-site scripting through cookie management issues in WebKit. Google researchers Clement Lessene and Benoit Sevens uncovered the vulnerabilities suspected to have used in targeted spyware attacks. Affected devices include iPhone XS and later certain iPads and Macs running macOS Sequoia. Users are urged to update their devices immediately to mitigate potential risks. These vulnerabilities mark Apple's 4th zero-day patches this year, underscoring the importance of proactive updates to defend against increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. Thanks for joining us on Clickbait. We have uncovered some critical cybersecurity news today. What are your thoughts on these developments? Share your insights and questions in the comments below. Let's build a strong cybersecurity community together. Like and subscribe to our channel if you've enjoyed this video. See you next time.